Another update is how I'm mounting the motor. There used to be this rusty steel bar across, which gets in the way of the battery box and the charger. It's kind of in the way of what I want to do. So I took that out and I ran a piece of 3/4 leg 1/8 inch wall angle, and I used the existing bolts for the steering rack. And then I have some vertical straps running from that angle up to here on the motor mounts. So it actually fits quite nicely. Takes up way less space. Now I have way more room up here. I was starting to work on the battery box here in the trunk and realized that the battery box is going to cover up these speakers. So I took a side project to get the speakers working before I cover them up and have the wiring set up. The speakers came with no wiring in the car. So I bought this $15 amp on Amazon, designed for passive speakers. The speakers say they're 30 watt RMS, 90 watt max, 4 ohm. This amp can deliver 100 watts to each channel, so the amp is oversized for what the speakers need, which is good. And they're designed for 2 to 8 ohm systems, so this will work. What's nice about this is it's super simple. I have the left speaker line, the right speaker line, and then power. I have the power running off an auxiliary battery right now. This will run off of the 12 volt battery being switched on with a key switch or something. And it's super simple. It has an on switch. LED lets me know it's on. And it'll take aux, USB, or Bluetooth. So I'll show it working in a second. So I'm connected on Bluetooth now. I'm just going to play some royalty-free music so I don't get in trouble. Then, because the spades on the speakers are so fragile, I actually made a connector to have it removable so I'm not taking those on and off for my left and right lines. And then final step is I can snake these wires through the passage here on the car, and I can put this little amp up on the dash somewhere nearby where it's easy to grab. Then the power line will run through the firewall to the battery under the hood. Super simple setup, about $20 for everything, and now I have totally functional speakers. I've routed the 2 speaker wires through the corner here. And then they come up along. I have the unit here for now. Deciding where I want to put it. Maybe I'll Velcro it here, maybe behind the shifter. But then the power I pass through the firewall and will be hooked up to the battery up there. So now this phone is connected to Bluetooth. I'm going to play some copyright-free music so I don't get in trouble. Just to show. It gets very loud. Louder than my other cars. So it's pretty awesome. I'm really happy with this.